तो अचिंत ऑन कर दो। ओके
कर दिया
So-
निहाल भी ऑन कर दिया।
yes, okay, so I start now. So the topic is differential motion and statistics. Okay, so in this I will study main problem make that we first design the robot, then we determine the dependency of the uh, output on the angles, that is we determine the transformations, homogeneous orientation and position transformations, and we define the workspace. Robot trajectory is planned where the in which workspace the tool or robot will move, in which spaces the robotic manipulator will move, what is the work envelope. So after deciding the tool configuration space and robot trajectory, we then address the problems of commanding the robot to follow that trajectory. Okay, so one approach is to take differential equations that represent the velocity and kinematic equations depending on the tool configuration velocity in terms of joint velocities. Okay, एक मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा यहाँ कुछ हल्ला कर रहे हैं लोग तो। Okay, so here what we determine the transformation from tool configuration velocity to joint velocity is called the tool configuration Jacobian matrix. Okay, so this is only for the tool end where the we determine the velocity of the tool end. This is called the we transform the tool configuration velocity to the joint with respect to the joint, then that is called the tool configuration Jacobian. Jacobian is actually the matrix which contains the derivatives with respect to the joint variables, derivatives of the individual terms in the tool configuration vector with respect to the joint variables. So joint Jacobian matrix, tool configuration Jacobian matrix is not necessarily an square matrix. This may depend on the the inverse of this Jacobian matrix is determined using the specialized techniques, that is pseudo inverse and simpler inverse. So the force and torques induced at the joints when the tool is in contact with the environment also examined using the Jacobian matrix. Okay, so we first consider the tool configuration Jacobian matrix. We have determined previously in previous study the position and orientation of the tool, and the joint variables are set the element of the a set Rn real number, and this may include the joint variables theta 1, theta 2, and d1, d2, d3. The joint variables may be the variable distances and variable angles. So we determine the tool configuration vector, and then the direct kinematic equation can be formulated in terms of the tool configuration function W and joint variables, because the tool configuration vector WQ is we have studied previously WQ equal to W1, W2, Q, and W1 contains the three elements in a column vector, and W2 contains the three elements which have the scaling factor of exponential Q5 exponential of some terms theta by pi into the last row of the orientation matrix, that is R13, R23, R33. So this X is defining the tool configuration vector. So in a given trajectory is desired trajectory xt in tool configuration space, we one way to find a corresponding trajectory qt in joint space is to invert the equation this. Okay, so we can know the uh, inverse kinematics problem that we have studied previously. However, we can also use the Jacobian matrix like this. So the we determine the differential relationship between the q and x. So this is Jacobian here, tool configuration Jacobian matrix, and this is the joint velocities, and this is the tool velocity. Okay, so once we have determined the Jacobian tool configuration Jacobian matrix, and we have the information about the joint velocity, we can determine the tool configuration velocity. Okay, so here this is the individual element wk. K is taken 1 to 6 for 6 links, and 1 to n for 6 joints, for n joints. So suppose there are n joints, then n joint variables will be there qj. So q1, q2, q3, and qn. I suppose that there are 6 links and 6 joints, then k will vary from 1 to 6, and j will vary from 1 to 6. So this joint, this tool configuration vector is differentiated with respect to partial differentiation we use, and each element is differentiated with respect to individual joint variables q1, q2, q3, q5, and all. So once we determine the tool configuration vector, we can determine the tool configuration Jacobian matrix. So this is the representation of tool velocity is given by tool velocity x dot is given by the joint velocity, that is q dot multiplied by sorry for interruption, some processing has started. Okay, so this is the joint velocity multiplied by vq. This vq depends on operating point q. Okay, so at any angle theta 1, if theta 1 has some value, in this Jacobian matrix will have that value. Okay, depending on the theta 1, theta 2 value of at that time, what is the value of these joint variables, the Jacobian matrix, the values of individual elements in Jacobian matrix will depend on this operating point. Okay, so this equation 513 is generally represented by 512 is represented by this block diagram. Tool configuration velocity is determined using the joint velocity as well as operating point q using the Jacobian of the tool configuration. Okay, so is it clear till now, स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes,
अभी
sir.
तक का समझ में आया क्या? ओके, हाँ चला गया सब. So now we study the tool Jacobian matrix for a practical case of 5-axis articulated robot, that is Reno XR3. As in earlier sections, I have illustrated how to determine the tool configuration vector after determining the orientation matrix and position vector. We determine the complete homogeneous transformation matrix, and then by using the certain elements of that homogeneous transformation matrix, we determine the tool configuration vector. So for this robot, the tool configuration vector is given by WQ equal to all these elements. Okay, so you write here, how you note in your book this equation and determine the partial differentiation with respect to theta 1 is V1 Q, and partial theta 2, that is V2, and these all elements you have to determine. So please do it. This is the matrix. Okay, and you determine the values of V1 Q, V2 Q, V3Q, V4 and V5Q. There are total 5 variables: theta 2, theta 3, theta 4 and theta 5. These are
सर
5.
सर
Yes.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा सर.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
आवाज कट रही है इधर. Just maybe some connectivity issue from my side. Triangle is showing here. We are right.
आवाज
Disconnect once again and connect again. हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हेलो, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what you were discussing? Any one of you saying something? Hello. So you note this WQ and you determine the derivatives of. Yes. This may be the problem of connectivity issue. So how this can be solved? I try to connect and disconnect once more. So only the I will say something in chat box. You follow that. I will seen the instruction. बॉक्स में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन है?
हेलो
यस यस
सर। सर चैट बॉक्स में लिख रहे हैं क्या सर? हेलो
हाँ
सर, अब थोड़ी थोड़ी आवाज आ रही है सर, अभी तो आ रही है सर। हेलो।
हाँ यस यस इन चैट बॉक्स
यस सर,
समथिंग इज रिटन देयर.
थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा है लेकिन अब आ रही है सर।
Yes, you follow the instruction one I had given in chat box, and you have this matrix. Can you see the matrix here?
Yes, sir.
You follow that. So five elements, five matrix with that is five vectors. Totally five vectors will be there with the different elements. These are the partial derivatives with respect to different joint variables. So you find out these. All the things are interlinked together. Okay. All of you are trying to solve or not?
सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर।
All of you are trying to solve or not this problem?
नो सर, सर करना क्या एक्चुअली समझ ही नहीं आया.
You first do the partial derivative of this vector with respect to theta 1. You determine what will be the vector again after differentiating it with respect to theta 1. You know here that C1 means C theta 1 means cos theta 1, A2 and cos theta 2. This is cos theta 2 plus theta 3. Okay. This is cos theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. This is sin theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. So you take the partial derivative of this vector with respect to theta 1. Okay, so calculate this. My voice is audible or not?
ऑडिबल सर, कर रहे हैं सर.
Okay. In the partial derivatives,
सर वो मैट्रिक्स
we
दिखा.
yes,
ओके सर.
ये है. बहुत टाइम लगा रहे हो तुम लोग.
हो गया
Are
सर.
you calculating all the vectors? So you please check this whether the value is matching to this vector or not.
कर रहे हैं सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you calculate the derivative with respect to theta 2 in the same manner. So I will check what you have calculated.
ओके सर. सर मैट्रिक्स ऊपर दिखा दीजिए.
Once you have completely studied the Jacobian matrix, then I will move to that topic which I had taken previously. calculated or not?
Wait, sir. हो गया सर.
Now check, is value matching to this V to Q?
Yes, sir.
और किसका किसका मैच हो रहा है? Who one has not calculated properly? All the students have matching values.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly you have to calculate with respect to theta 3, theta 4. Okay, so I give you now to calculate with respect to theta 4. Okay, so I am showing you the matrix again and calculate with respect to theta 4. What the values? When you are taking partial derivative of these types of terms with respect to theta 2, suppose, then what will you do? You will simply take a derivative of this yes, C2 3 4. This is cos of theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. Then for partial derivative, what you will do? Take the partial derivative of this with respect to theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4, and then the partial derivative of theta 2 plus theta 4 with respect to theta 2. Okay, so this is completely BC 2 3 4 by theta 2. Okay, this is the representation. So what will be the value? This will be 1 and this will be cos differentiation of cos equal to minus s 2 3 4, that will be okay. So in the same manner you can also calculate when you derive take the partial differentiation with respect to theta 4, with respect to theta 3, or with respect to theta 5. When you take the partial derivative with respect to theta 5, you will also have to consider this term. Okay, So you have calculated for theta 4 or not?
कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं सर, मैट्रिक्स ही नहीं दिखाया आपने।
कोई बताया कि RX3 रोबोट में कितने लिंक कितने ज्वाइंट हैं? हाउ मेनी लिंक्स, हाउ मेनी ज्वाइंट्स आर देयर?
हो गया सर।
क्या आया?
सर मेरे चैट बॉक्स में सर
Is the value matching to this? Yes.
वैल्यू दिखा दीजिए।
Is it visible?
यस सर, सही है सर।
यस सर, यही आ रहा है।
ठीक है, means you have calculated. Now you at last you have to calculate with respect to theta 5, and this type of terminology will come, and you calculate taking this configuration vector. Then you calculate with respect to theta 5.
सर थीटा 5 में तो पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा सर।
Yes, definitely all the elements will be zero, and here the terms will be modified. How the terms are modified? You take the derivative and show me. Actually, this we are studying whenever there is a change, because we have properly planned the robot to in which locations the tool end will move. Okay, so all the time the position of the tool end is moving, so there is a velocity and in that point, that is a trajectory of the work space. So according to the change in the desired position of the tool, there will be a change in the each the angles of each joints. Okay, so there will be a joint velocity also. So whenever there is a change in velocity, we need the Jacobian for transforming the this tool configuration velocity to the joint velocities. Okay, so Jacobian represents this. So the value at last with respect to theta 5 will be So this is the value 515E. This is 5 completely. We have determined 5 vectors which have elements which are having the derivative of the elements of the tool configuration vector with individual joint variables. So the complete Jacobian will be determined using these 5 vectors. This vector, first, second, with respect to theta 2, with respect to theta 3, this is with respect to theta 4, and this is theta 5. So all the values of all the elements of this Jacobian matrix have been determined. So similarly, we calculate the tool Jacobian matrix for, yes,
सर
tell me.
थीटा 5 में सर जो हमारा वो डैश लाइन के नीचे में है वो सब क्यों नहीं जीरो हो रहा है सर? वो भी जीरो होना चाहिए ना। थीटा 5 का तो टर्म ही नहीं है कुछ उसमें।
किसमें?
सर ये नीचे वाला जो एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म है।
अरे तो एक्चुअली इसमें तुम कैसे इसको डेरिवेटिव करोगे? सपोज कि यू हैव माइनस ऑफ, वंस आई टेल यू, यहाँ पे अटक गए ना तुम लोग, हम जानते थे।
सर थीटा 4 तक तो समझ में आ रहा है सर। थीटा 5 में तो नीचे वाला भी जीरो होना चाहिए क्योंकि थीटा 5 का टर्म ही कोई नहीं है उसमें। तो कैसे?
दिस इज वैल्यू, ओके। C1 क्या था? C1 C2 3 4 ऐसा है इसका जो मेन मैट्रिक्स है।
सर ये हमारा Q5 जो है वो ठीक, जो
यस Q5 भी तो थीटा 5।
हाँ फिर सर हो जाएगा, फिर सर सेम फिर होगा।
Then you will take the derivative with respect to theta 5. So this is Q5. Q1 भी होता है, Q1 equal to theta 1. Okay. So here you take the partial derivative of this and then whole term, then the differentiation of this whole term with respect to Q5 by pi and partial derivative of Q5 by pi with respect to dq5. Then what will be the value? 1 upon pi will be additionally multiplied by this term and exponential of Q5 by pi and C1 क्या था? S23 था कि C23? S23. Okay.
2 3 4
Is it clear now?
Yes sir.
So at last you have determined this complete matrix. This has the vector with respect to theta 1, okay, that is represented by the first vector you have determined, second vector you have determined, third vector, fourth vector with respect to theta 4, and fifth vector with respect to theta 5. So this is the Jacobian matrix. X is the term individual elements. Simply it is given an assignment of this, and there are all non-zero values, and these are non-zero values. Okay, so you can simply determine the same thing for this tool configuration vector. This is for 4-axis scalar robot, and you can also determine simply each element. Then suppose you take with respect to theta 1, then with respect to theta 1 this vector will be there. So with respect to theta 1 this term will be giving the some value, this will be having some value, and this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. So only 2 elements will be there, and remaining all the elements will be 0. Similarly, with respect to theta 2 you can calculate, so this element will have some value because it is having the theta 2 variable, and this will be 0, third element will be 0, fourth element 0, fifth element. So only 2 elements will be remaining all the 0. And similarly, because we have calculated we have only the 4 variables, so 1 2 3 4 columns are there, 4 joint variables and 4 columns. Okay, so this is another example of tool Jacobian matrix. Okay, so here again you have seen that with respect to theta 1 this term will be positive and all other terms will be 0, and because we have only the variables up to q3, and third joint is tool joint, tool roll axis. This is the tool roll axis. Okay, always the exponent in the exponential term we take the last angle which is the tool roll axis. Okay, so theta 3 is there, and so third column, 3 columns will be in the Jacobian matrix. Okay, and this number of elements in the vector, 6 elements in the vector, this represent the links. Okay, and 3 joints are there. So no, actually these all 6 elements represent the elements, the vector of tool configuration vector, and it has 6 elements. So always the tool configuration vector will have the 6 elements in column, and the n number of elements in the row, and n is the last tool roll angle, means nth number of angle. Suppose here q4 is the tool roll angle, so this will have total 4 elements, 4 elements in a row. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. So in this way you have studied the tool configuration Jacobian matrices for some examples. So now for manipulator Jacobian you can study this section, and I will cover this section in next lecture. Just I'm going to that point. This is manipulator Jacobian. Okay, so we will also calculate the manipulator Jacobian, and now I conclude this lecture. So someone was saying something, I listened a voice here.
सर एक्चुअली मैं पूछ रहा था कि ये सब सिलेबस में है क्या?
जैकोबियन मैट्रिक्स डायनेमिक्स तब जब कंप्लीट नहीं होगी इफ यू डोंट स्टडी द जैकोबियन मैट्रिक्स.
ओके सर.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दें सर.
हाँ,
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दें.
yes you can do that.